Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We have a customer that has the same problem as we do in Sydney with people stealing their mail, and a good way to upgrade your mailbox is to put one of these tubular locks on the actual mailbox. We've been doing this for many years now, and we've sold many of these locks to people all over Australia, and they're also doing the same and having great results. You can purchase this lock from our lock shop, and in the case like this customer has where he's lost all keys and he doesn't have access to a locksmith, I'm going to show you a nice quick and easy way under a minute how to get the lock open and swap it out. When you purchase a new lock, it comes with 2 or 3 keys, and often this is a much cheaper scenario than getting a locksmith out to try and make a key.